Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I recently started testing out some AI logo design tools, and honestly, the results really surprised me. In today's video, I'm going to share you the three best AI logo makers that help you design professional brand logo in just a few clicks, even if you never designed before. If you're starting a new business, YouTube channel, or even personal brand, your logo is the first thing people notice. And instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a designer, these AI tools can create stunning logos automatically, and they actually look professional. Let's jump right in. First, we have Fiverr Logo Maker. What I really like about Fiverr tools is that it's not just power AI, it's backed by a real human designer. All these logos you see are originally made by top Fiverr creator, then enhanced with AI to match your brand's color and style. You just answer a few questions about your business, like your industry and brand vibe, and Fiverr AI instantly shows you hundreds of logo options. They're also super easy editor where you can just font, icon, and layout. It's fast, affordable, and you're good ready to use files for your website, social media, and brands. Next is Loka Logo Maker. Loka is honestly one of the most fun AI tools to use. You type your company name, pick your favorite color, icon, and style. When the AI instantly generates beautiful logo idea. One Once you find you like and can edit when right inside Loka, change font layout or color until it's perfect. And the best part, Loka gives you complete brand kits with business cards, social media templates, and color variation. Plus, you get lifetime logo support and limited edits, which make it perfect for brand and grow and evolve. And finally, AI logo suites. This is a new AI I really discovered and honestly feels the next real level design. AI logo suites use powered AI algorithm to generate logos that look completely custom. You can choose different styles, tweak your design, and download high resolution vector files that work for both web and print. It's fast, smooth, and the quality is really impressive. Definitely worth checking out if you want something that looks premium without a high price. So these are my top 3 AI logo makers. Fiverr logo makers for design packet quality, Loka logo maker for complete brand kit, and logo suites for fast high quality AI design. If you want to try them out yourself, I'll left all the link down below in the description. Go export to see which one fit your brand and which is the best. In this video, if you found this video helpful, don't forget dislike, subscribe, and share with someone who's starting their brands. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next one.